In this video, I am going to explain you how to enroll on My Spanish Lab. This is a very important task that you are going to do before you start working in this class, because on My Spanish Lab website it is assigned all work that you are going to complete during the semester. First, before to review how to enroll on My Spanish Lab, let's review the material we are going to use for this class. This is the textbook we are going to use. It is called ANDA Curso Elemental and is 3rd edition. This is a hardcover, but if you buy the book, you are going to get a loose leaf. And you have, for the material we're going to use in the class, you have two options. The first one, if you require to have the textbook, you can do it. And also we need this access code, the student's access code. This is required. This is the most important material we require for this class. If you buy this access code, you will have also access to the textbook online. So that's your second option. You can buy as a package the textbook and the access code, or only you can buy the access code. For the access code, also, it's important to note that if you are required to take Elementary Spanish 1, Elementary Spanish 2, this is a multi-semester. So this one will allow you to take both semesters. Or if you plan degree, require only one semester of Spanish, you can get this student access code, 1 semester access. Make sure you get the Curso Elemental ANDA 3rd edition. So this is our class Moodle. You have access to the class. This is the students' resources. In the main folder, you are going to get some documents, and those are the 2 documents that you require to enroll in the class, especially this student registration instructions and the syllabus. At this point, probably you already received those documents on the email. Normally, I used to send those 2 documents some days before to start the class. So click here, the students registration instructions, and follow those steps in order. First, you're going to go to this website. This is important to click and go from the first step. This is the website, and then you are going to click register as a student. So you can use your McMurray email address. For the instructor course ID is here. For this class, if you are taking fall or spring class, it's going to be a different instructor course ID. And the access code. Access code. This is the access code to enroll on My Spanish Lab website. So you're going to click register, and you're going to type here the course ID. Is going to be different for each semester. If this is the first time you are going to access to Pearson, you have to create an account. and then complete all of those steps agree, and the class that you're going to register on is McMurray Elementary Spanish 1 for summer, or it could be fall or spring semester, depending on the semester you are taking this class. And then you continue with all those steps to register in the class. Once you complete all of the steps for the registration process, you are going to have the class on My Spanish Lab website. This is the first screen you are going to see as soon as you open the course. So those are important steps that you have to follow in order to make sure your computer has the required software, and you have to disable the pop-up blocker. So click here and make sure your browser has compatibility. Check if you can record your voice and if you can record a video. Also, it is important to disable the pop-up blocker. Just choose the corresponding browser you are using and then follow those steps to turn off the pop-up blocker. If you do not turn off the pop-up blockers, you will not be able to open any assignment from My Spanish Lab website. If you do not want to see this screen, you can click here and close it. So this is the class. From here, we are going to work on the calendar. On the calendar are already all the activities that we are going to complete during the semester. If you see a little note here that is going to explain you what kind of assignments or resources you have available for that day. In the future videos, I will explain you how to work on tests, on how to prepare grammar from this website. Okay, take care.